If your Logitech G435 headset has suddenly stopped connecting, the audio keeps cutting out, or it's just acting strange for no reason, don't worry. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Logitech G435 back to factory settings, so it feels brand new again. This method is super simple, takes less than a minute, and fixes most common glitches instantly. So stick with me till the end. Before we begin, remember that a full reset wipes your custom settings. But if you're dealing with connectivity issues or weird audio behavior, this is the fastest and safest fix. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure the headset is completely powered off. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the lights turn off. The headset must be off before starting the reset. Next, we're going to enter reset mode. With the headset powered off, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them. After a moment, you'll notice the LED on the headset start flashing rapidly. That rapid flashing is your confirmation that the reset process has started. Now, once you see that rapid LED flash, release both volume buttons. The flashing will continue for a brief moment and then stop on its own. When the light stops flashing, the factory reset is complete. Your G435 is officially restored to default settings. From here, turn the headset back on by pressing the power button again, then simply reconnect it to your device, whether that's your phone, PC, console, or anything else. Just pair it like you would for the first time, and that's it. A full reset for the Logitech G435 in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you have any other G435 issues, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.